Survivor Giroux here, founder and principal trainer.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm Survivor Giroux, founder and principal trainer for customized training and consulting, with a video minute to share some information with you. This is the first in a series of 1-minute videos where I'll be touching on the various training programs we offer and a few enlightening and entertaining bits of information along the way, so stay tuned. Today I want to talk about what we do at Customized Training and Consulting. We offer fully customizable training programs at your business location. Topics such as leadership skills, OSHA 10, OSHA 30, vocational English as a second language, logistics certification, NAPCET photovoltaic certification, and many others. What's customizable? Everything from the material covered to the number of hours. And through California's ETP program, most of these trainings are at no cost to companies. More about that in our next video. Y clases en español también. For more information, please visit our website or contact me at Customized Training and Consulting. Looks like this video is out of time, so please join me for the next one where I'll discuss California's ETP program. Thanks for watching, and remember,
be good humans.